What's going on, guys? Patrick here with Drone Nerds. So obviously the drone industry is exploding right now. Every day there are new drones coming out. There are new ways to use drones in different industries, different businesses. The big focus for Drone Nerds is helping supply our customers with solutions to fulfill their business needs. Today we're taking a look here at a new solution from PARROT for their enterprise customers. This is the all-new Anafi Work. Now, the Anafi is already out on the market. There's a consumer version, which is gonna be very similar to the Work, but the actual Anafi Work is gonna be its own little custom bundle that we have here at Drone Nerds. So with the Anafi Work bundle, you're gonna get the drone itself, you're gonna get the controller, 3 extra batteries, and you're also going to receive 1-year access to Pix 4D models. So that way you can easily create 3D models with your PARROT Anafi. Let's talk about what the Anafi Work solution really is for and how it can benefit your business today. Now, the actual drone itself, it folds out. It's really small, it's portable, it's easy to use, and it's really kind of just a simple, easy drone. One thing that's different about the Anafi Work, something that no other drone on the market can do, is this little drone can actually tilt the camera up, or straight up, I should say. So you can basically look at things from below. So let's say you're trying to look underneath a building, you need to see underneath an overhang. With other drones on the market, it's impossible to tilt the camera up like that. With the Anafi, there's nothing over the top of the camera, so you're actually able to see things from below. So that's one unique benefit of this drone. I can see this really being a big benefit for people in construction who are inspecting buildings, who need to see underneath different overhangs, different bridges, bridge inspections, all kinds of different options when you really just need to look underneath things that you just can't see from the ground. The Anafi itself is small. The actual work case is gonna come with a little bag and everything's gonna fit right in that bag. The Pix 4D model software is really a high-end modeling software. A lot of people on the market are already using this, and once you buy this package, you're going to get the Pix 4D model software for a year. That's gonna allow you to create accurate measurements of distances and surface areas, post flight inspection on 3D models directly from any web browser. It's gonna allow you to use autonomous mapping with Pix 4D Capture mobile app. It's really easy to use. You download the app on your phone, you draw the area that you wanna create a map of, that you wanna survey. The drone actually just picks up off the ground and automatically goes and does the work that the app is telling it to do. You're able to capture 4K HDR video, and the 21 megapixel camera will allow you to capture high resolution aerial images. It also has a built-in lossless zoom, which will allow you to inspect buildings with up to 1.4 lossless zoom in 4K, up to 2.8 times zoom in the 1080p full HD resolution. The camera itself also has a 3-axis gimbal, so you're gonna get really smooth, high quality footage for all types of different uses. So if you need to get footage of different areas and you wanna make sure you have smooth, high quality footage, don't worry, because the Anafi is gonna be able to deliver that as well. You're going to get 4 batteries with the Anafi Work Kit. Each of these batteries will allow you to have 25 minutes of flight time. That way you'll be able to get on the job site, capture what you need, and get the job done with the batteries that you have at hand. Also, another benefit is you can actually charge the batteries on the go with the USB-C supplied charger in the kit. You can use a USB outlet, you can use a laptop, you can use a power brick, and charge the batteries on the road. So don't worry about needing extra batteries. With the 4 batteries that are supplied in the kit, you'll be able to go out and get the job done. So like I said before, the Anafi has a 4K camera that's gonna be great for people that are looking to just capture aerial footage of job sites, of different uses, of fields, really whatever you're needing to capture. That 4K camera is gonna be able to capture that and get it all in high quality 4K footage. The Anafi Work Kit will have everything that you need right out of the box. Take it out of the box, you charge it, you take it to work, it's ready to go. You're gonna have the Pix 4D 1-year subscription as well, all built into the kit. So really quickly, just to sum this up, this is gonna be a great solution. You're looking to inspect roofs, you're looking for really just inspections in general. This is gonna make it much easier to get the shots that you need quickly and easily. The actual drone is very easy to fly. There's an app that's built into your phone. The controller is very simple. It's almost too easy. That's where it's getting now. The drones in this world are becoming too easy to fly. We've also had a lot of customers who are in the construction business that need to capture photos and videos throughout the process of construction. This is going to be a really good solution for that. Having everything you need right in the kit, shooting the 4K video, you can do it all with the PARROT ANAFI WORK. Also for surveillance, for security, this is going to be a great solution as well. The 4 batteries is going to allow you to pretty much be able to fly all day long if you're charging the batteries, if you're managing the batteries. With those 4 batteries, with the 25 minutes of flight time per battery, basically, if you're charging and you're using the drone, you'll be able to use the drone most of the day. Also, we've had a lot of interest from first responders, from police, firefighters, for people who just need to be able to get an aerial image of a scene, get above and be able to see where the fire is, what's going on from the air before backup gets there. So when you start researching drones for your business or for your enterprise solutions, definitely take a look at the PARROT ANAFI. Like I said, it's going to really be able to cover all the bases for inspection work, for survey work, for mapping, for security, for really just anybody out there who's looking for a high quality drone on the enterprise side. If you're looking for all the things that I've talked about in this video, or just one of those things, definitely take a look at the ANAFI WORK, see the entire bundle, see what it's all about, learn more about it at dronenerds.com. We're always looking for the next best solution. I think this solution here is really a cool package. And then also getting that 1 year of the Pix 4D software is going to be a major plus. You can look up the value of the Pix 4D software. It's really a high quality product. A lot of people in the world are already using this software. And I think this is a really cool bundle from PARROT. Like I said, we're always looking for the next best solution. The big thing for us at Drone Nerds is being able to help our customers and to be able to supply them with the solutions that they need to help their businesses grow. If you have any more questions, give us a call or head on over there to dronenerds.com.